Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So for this video, this is gonna be a build for a home desk or homeschool desk for our daughter. Since sa pandemic, kailangan naka-homeschool, kaya this is gonna be built for the big boss. So I started off with a 3/4 inch marine plywood. I think this is kalahati lengthwise, and first thing that I did is check for squareness, kung diretso ba or 90 degrees perfect ba yung at least isang angle ng plywood. Then after that, I measured it and then cut it in half. Ito yung magiging base tsaka yung ibabaw ng pinaka drawer box. So nung napantay ko na siya, to make it easier or mas mabilis, mas efficient yung pagputol, pinagpatong ko siya and then got the measurement and then use the track saw to split it in half or putulin sa kalahati. So before I made the cut, it's a good practice na check nyo muna yung depth ng cutting blade or yung depth ng blade para safe yung mga mesa na pagpapatungan natin ng plywood. So nung nahati ko na siya, it's now time for the sides and dividers sa gitna ng drawer box. So ito yung pinagputulan ng 3/4 marine plywood. And then nung nakuha ko na, I moved to the table saw para putulin yung height ng mismong sides and middle ng drawer box. Good practice din to na pagpatungin nyo na yung pieces pag magpuputol kayo sa mga kahit anong machine. Not only does it make a perfect mirror cut nung kailangan nyo, but it's more efficient. So here it is, 3 dividers, the top and the bottom part of the drawer box. So para assembling ko to, I just use pocket holes para mas mabilis. And yung pocket hole ko, yung mga butas ng pocket hole will be at the outer side ng box. Since ang plan ko dito or yung finish na gagawin ko is laminated, so mako-cover naman siya. Now, yung middle part na divider, medyo nabitin ako sa kahoy eh. So what I did is nagduktong na lang ako ng dalawa and then kinabit ko siya ng pocket hole and glue. So here's the assembly for the drawer box. So basically it's glue and then kinlamp ko, pero para hindi gumalaw yung piece, what I usually do is titirahan ko siya ng nailer and then tsaka ko ngayon siya kakabit ng pocket hole. Good practice always is to check for square nung project mo along the build para at the end of the build or pagpatapos ka na, wala mga problema na hindi kasya or mali yung hindi skwalado. So here, I'm just assembling the drawer box. Ito yung sinabi ko kanina na bitin yung kahoy na pinagduktong ko. Since it's gonna be at the middle part or tagu naman siya, I think okay lang naman kahit magkaduktong yung kahoy. So I turned it over, hinanap ko yung pinakagitna para yun yung maging reference ko ng nailer tsaka ng mga screws. So I'll be using a countersink bit para sa mga screws ko. Kasi nga since it's gonna be laminated, so kailangan nakalubog yung ulo ng mga screws sa plywood. So after doing the countersink, I assembled the top part naman ng drawer box. So same process, glue, and then binalik ko yung ibabaw, and then after that I hit it with the brad nails, and then tsaka ko na kinabit ng mga pocket screws na ginawa ko kanina. So, same process din sa ilalim. Glue, brad nails, and then countersink. And then, tsaka ako na kinabit na ng screw. So, at this part, I'm now doing the drawers para dun sa may drawer box. So, I got the specific height ng drawer. Tapos, kumuha na ako ng mga pieces para dun. Using the same 3/4 marine plywood na pinagsimulan ko kanina. So, nung nakuha ko na yon, the same process, pinagpatong ko lang siya, then off to the miter saw, para yung putol, again, would be pare-pareho. So, nung naputol ko na siya sa may miter saw, it's now time to create the grooves or yung uka para dun sa may riles, kumbaga, nung mismong base ng drawers. So, ito yung reels na sinasabi ko. Gumawa muna ako ng grooves or dados para maging reels nung 1/2 inch marine plywood na gagamitin ko para sa may bottom part ng drawers. So, inassemble ko muna ng payu. And then, nung na-assemble ko na, pumutol na ngayon ako ng 1/2 inch plywood. This is that part. So, nung nakuha ko na yung tamang-tamang sukat, it's just a matter of sliding it down. And then, yung back part, hindi na kailangan isara hanggang baba nung height ng drawers. Just papatong mo na lang dun sa may mismong bottom ng drawer base. So, there. Nabuo ko na yung drawer box and then the drawers. After that, it's now time to finish the drawers or yung mismong coating niya. So, sa drawers, ang ginawa ko is painted. So, unang process na ginawa ko is to masilyahan yung drawer and then sa may pinaka-drawer box is laminate naman. So, process of laminating, contact cement or tawag natin locally is rugby. So, that's for both sides, the wood side and the laminate side. And then, patuyuin ng konti, dry to the touch, tsaka mo na ngayon siya pagdidikitin. So, yung mga sobra, I always leave siguro mga 1/2 inch na pasobra sa laminate and then I trim it off with my router using a flush trim bit. So after that, it's time for the drawer face. So what I usually do or use is double stick tape and then playing cards just like nung previous videos ko para makuha yung spacing or yung mga allowances na kailangan ko para makabit yung drawer face. So since puti nga yung drawer box or yung drawer face, nilalagyan ko muna ng masking tape kasi nga mahirap siyang madumihan dahil puti. So this is the knob that I'm gonna use para sa may drawers. Store-bought, all home ata, pagkakaalala ko. So simple process lang naman to, drill a hole through and through, nakasya yung bolt na kasama nung knobs. And then sa knob mismo, meron siyang thread na dun mo siya i-screw yung bolt na kasama niya. So, off to the shelving sa ibabaw naman nung desk. Medyo ginawa kong oversize yung mismong shelving kasi since bata nga yung gagamit, medyo malalaki yung mga books na ilalagay. Kaya siya oversized. So, same process lang din sa paggawa ng box, but at this time, medyo nilagyan ko ng slanted cut yung mismong poste ng mga shelving. And then, I painted it and trimmed it off with pine wood. So, this is how it looks nung finish na siya yung mismong shelving. after that, it's now time for the metal frame. So, yung metal frame is triangular yung pinaka-design niya. And, ang gusto ko sana mangyari dito is, as my daughter ages, pwede nang i-adjust pataas yung mismong lamesa para mas matagal magagamit. So, after welding the A-frame, usual process, masilya, after grinding it, and then pagkatapos masilyahan yung mga medyo hindi nalinis or hindi malinis sa pagkaka-weld or pagkaka-grind, that's when I hit it off with a sander. And then bago ko pinturahan or lagyan ng primer, what I usually do is pinupunasan ko ng thinner yung buong bakal na isprayan ko ng primer para malinis na malinis yung kapit ng pintura. So this is gray primer, pero di ko lang kung saan napunta yung footage nung pininturahan ko na siya ng color niya, but the color that I use for the frame, katulad nung heart na knobs, is bronze. And that's it. This is how it looks finished. And super happy yung daughter ko nung nagamit na niya yung mismong desk. So, guys, thanks again for watching, and I hope you continue to watch the videos that I'll be publishing in the future. So, please like and subscribe to the channel. And again, thanks for watching.